It's Patrick at Pals. Yep, the 48 Dodge engine and transmission are out of the car. Let's take a look at this. This is a flathead 6-cylinder engine. See how the engine has a flat head right here? That's flat, that's the head. There's the gasket for it. Normally the valves on new engines are overhead valves. They're over the head. They're on the top of the head going down. This one, the valves are actually in the engine. And there's just this flat head here with a relief in it for the valves. Now, this transmission is a special transmission. Okay, this is the bell housing for it. And your clutch is in here. Now the transmission for this engine is called it's right over here. Jim, explain this engine, or this transmission.
It's a standard 3-speed transmission, but what they did, they mounted a torque converter like an automatic transmission of today's cars in front of the clutch. So the clutch is bolted to the torque converter, so you can actually shift on the fly or not have to actually downshift when you come to a stoplight. Sometimes you can just stop and then just keep on going
without using a clutch.
Yeah, so freewheels.
Now, what did they call that transmission?
Fluid drive.
Fluid drive transmission, that's right. So a fluid drive transmission is a manual transmission with a torque converter in it. Kind of like the fingertip transmissions that they have now, okay? So you've got a torque converter in here, which a normal manual transmission doesn't have, but every automatic has. And then it also has a clutch, and it's got the manual gearbox. That little guy right there has got 3 gears in it that run this car down the road. If you have a 48 Dodge and you need it rebuilt, bring it to Pals. See you soon.